Meanwhile, court proceedings across the country were suspended in honor of the life of the fallen principal magistrate of Makadara Monicah Kivuti, who was shot, as reported, in an active court proceeding. Donned in purple ribbons, which they will wear until the late Honorable Kivuti is laid to rest, judicial officers, across the country called for the bolstering of security of all officers of the court, especially the ones in line of duty. Irene Muchuma-Odim with that story.
These pictures were replicated across the country as officers of the court came together in honor of the fallen Makadara principal magistrate, Monicah Kivuti. In Homa Bay, Chief Magistrate Jacinta Orwa reiterated calls to improve security of all judicial officers.
Security is very key to all of us because we deal with people from all walks of life.
At the Limuru Law Courts, the Senior Principal Magistrate Jared Magori led officials from the Judiciary Kiambu chapter in an intercession ceremony in honor of Honorable Kivuti. Persons who had turned up at the Limuru Court for judicial services were, however, turned away.
Tungeomba Mungu aweke roho yake maripema peponi.
At the Kiambu Law Courts, judicial officers eulogized the late Kivuti as a dedicated and loving colleague who was passionate with her duties.
I just ask all of us to just pray for the family of Honorable Kivuti.
In Embu, staff at the courts held a peaceful walk in honor of the late Monicah Kivuti.
And probably it's a wake-up call to the Judicial Service Commission to ensure that security for the judicial officers is ensured.
Meanwhile, in Kisii, residents were urged to obey the Constitution and avoid taking the law into their own hands. While mourning the late Kivuti, Justice Sila Munyao said court rulings should be respected.
Irrespective of the nature of the decision made, the avenue of any individual who is aggrieved by such decision is not to take the law into his or her own hands.
In Mombasa, staff at the Mombasa High Court lit candles and placed flowers on the side of the late Kivuti's portrait in her honor. Mombasa High Court presiding judge Olga Sewe terming the death of Honorable Kivuti as a big blow to the entire society.
We assure the consumers of justice that our security going forward will be taken very seriously.
Irene Muchuma-Odim, the Prime Edition.